What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. 2017 Honda Civic. If you guys got a cam sensor codes, or if you want to change the cam sensor, there's two cam sensors on this vehicle. This is a 2017 Honda Civic Earth the Dream engine right here. This is just to give you guys the engine size. This is a 2.0 liter right here. So you're gonna have codes for either cam sensor for the exhaust, or this is the exhaust side right here, because exhaust is right here, intake is in the back. So I'm going to show you guys how to change them both. Might be different sensors, but anyways, this tab right here, you press on this tab and you remove this connector, and you need a 10mm socket here. All you do is get yourself a 10mm socket, and then you turn counterclockwise just like that. The bolt will come loose, and then you remove this, and this baby comes right out. Okay, just like that. Let's see if that bolt. And then I don't like to twist and turn anything. Sometimes the sensors are kind of oval inside and you can damage something. So trying to kind of wiggle it up a little bit and come right up. So it does have an O-ring right here. So inside it looks like that. Sometimes this will have all kinds of metal particles build up. That means something is damaged. So that's how that comes out. So I'm gonna place this over here, and then procedure for the back one right here, same thing. You push on this tab right here, 10mm right there. This might be a little bit tough. There you go. Once it's loose, these babies will be a little rough to get out. So the torque on these is nothing more than like 4 or 5 foot-pound. Bolts are the same. So same thing here. You want to kind of wiggle, and this baby will come out. So that's how that goes. So we got two cam sensors right there, and this is what they look like. So you guys have an idea. They seems to be the same part. Okay, they seems to be the same part. But you might want to check with your parts department. But to put it back, make sure you put a little bit of oil on the seal. And then you stick this right back in there, and you kind of wiggle it right back in there. Take your bolt, and that goes on. Try to catch the bolt all the way. If you don't have torque specs, if you don't have a torque wrench, it's fine. It's fine. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing here. I'm gonna put this in. Same thing, O-ring needs a little bit of oil. If you're replacing the new one, this is just show and tell. And okay, we're gonna have a little bit tough time, difficulty with this little guy. But it should go in. Just like that. You should be able to feel that little snap when it goes in, and the 10mm bolt goes on. And that's how simple that is. Something like this you could do. So the symptoms of cam sensor could be that slow start, or you can have codes for it. And now all we're gonna do is we're gonna lock up this bolt. Same thing here, we're gonna lock up this bolt here. Quick and easy procedure. Take your connector, make sure you hear the connector go click, just like this. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. Same thing on this side. Click, and it's good to go. If you got codes, you're gonna have to reset the check engine light. But anyways, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys in the next video.